Hello dear students, in this series Can You Solve It? I have taken some questions asked in competitive mathematics, competitive examination based on mixture and alligation. This is a very important concept. I will use some shortcut formula and it is in applied mathematics of class 12 NCERT and it is asked in many competitive examinations. So it is mixture, mixing two or more ingredients together in certain ratio is known as mixture. For example, milk and water, alcohol and water, acid and water, two type of rice. So we will find the ratio and a ratio in which we'll mix two type of things to get some profit or to get the things nicely done. Many real life application of this mixture. So here mean price is important. At which price we'll sell it. Mostly it is used for the commerce when different quantities of different cost are mixed together to produce a mixture. Then cost of mixture is known as mean price, which is very important to decide your profit or loss. Mean price is the cost price of unity quantity of the mixture. That means after mixing two type of things, suppose for example 1 kg of rice, I bought it for ₹100 and another one per kg I'm taking 120. Now the question is at what ratio I'll mix them. At what ratio I'll mix them. So I'll get your, I can sell it in ₹110 or ₹130 or 100 your 18, so that I'll have some profit. So mostly this concept is used for your business or commercial mathematics. So here some rule is very important. What is it? When different quantities of different ingredients are mixed together to produce a mixture of mean price is given to you, then the ratio of their quantities is inversely proportional to the difference in their cost from the mean price. That means the ratio of cheap one to dearer or costly one is same as the ratio of inversely proportional to the mean. That means here it will be the mean value minus cost of cheap, and here the costly value minus the mean. So this is the meaning of inversely proportional. Cheap difference from the mean and costly difference from the mean. So let us go for the symbol used here. Dearer ingredient means which is costly, whose cost is more or greater. One is cheaper ingredient whose cost is less. And mean price is the cost of mixture. Mean price is denoted by M, cheaper is denoted by small c, and dearer is denoted by capital D. So the ratio in which we'll mix them, quantity ratio of quantity of cheaper ingredient to dearer ingredient is equal to Cp of dearer minus mean price upon mean price minus Cp of cheaper, cost price of cheaper. Cp is cost price, dearer means costly, Cp and cheaper is this. Or in symbol we can write dearer is denoted by D, cheaper is less costly is denoted by C, mean is denoted by M, then D minus M upon M minus C. So quantity of cheaper to dearer is equal to D minus M by M minus C. Just it is the reciprocal of difference. So here I have taken the symbolical representation. What is it? it will be D minus M upon M minus C. So C by D, C upon D, ratio of cheap to dearer is equal to D minus A upon C M minus C. So let us go for the questions. At what ratio must rupees 69 per kg be mixed with ratio rice of 100 per kg so that the mixture be worth of rupees 80 per kg? At what ratio? Always the question will be in this way. Rice at, so this will be the cheap one. This is small c. I can write small c, cost of your cheaper, it will be rupees 69. And when it is bigger one, that is D, dearer, rupees 100, and M is your 80. So what is the ratio? Sorry, it will be 80. I hope you can, within 1 minute, you can solve now. So ratio will be cheaper upon dearer is equal to C minus D, D minus M. C by D is equal to D minus M. D is equal to your 100 minus M 80 upon 80 minus 69. So this will be 20 upon 11. So it will be ratio 20:11. We'll take the cheaper and dearer. So ratio of cheaper to dearer should be 20/11. Next, a retailer has 25 kg of rice, a part of which he sells 10% profit. The remaining quantity rice, his low quantity, he sold it 5% loss. Overall, he made profit of 7%. Find profit, say find the quantity rice sold for 5%. Okay. So let us write now. He sells for 10% profit. So this is your bearer or D, and the remaining quantity loss. Loss means loss is always negative. So this will be -5. So C is equal to -5. C is equal to -5, D is equal to 10, and M is equal to made a profit of 7% profit, 7. I'm not writing the percentage. So put here D is equal to 10, C is equal to your -5, and this is equal to 7. So what is D minus M? D minus M is equal to 10 minus 7, that will be 3. And M minus C is equal to 7 minus -5. That will be 12. Again, I repeat, when that will be 5% loss, that means it is below 100. So I will write -5. So now ratio of cheaper to dearer is equal to D minus M by M minus C. This will be 3/12. That will be 1/4. So cheap will be 1/4. 1/4 means cheap is 1 part, dearer is your 4 part. So total makes it 5 parts. So this will be 5 parts. So out of these 5 parts, first part 1 is sold in 10%, and your 1 is percent minus 5% because this is the cheaper, and 4 is for 10%. This is for loss, this is for gain. So cheaper will be 1 by total 5 into your 250, because 1:4 means 250, 1:4 means total is 5 parts, and cheap is 1 part and dearer is 4 parts. So 1/5 into 250. So it will be 50 kg. 50 kg will be sold at 5% loss. And what to be for profit? That will be rest, will be in the profit. So that you will get 7% profit total. Next is, we have done it. Total quantity is 250 kg. Loss is -5. M is 7%. C is -5. D is 10%. So we got the answer. Now the question is, so we have got the answer already. It will be your 10 minus 7 upon 7 minus -5. I repeat again, but this is a very important question. 3 by 12, it will be 1 by 4. That will be cheap to dearer. So cheap is equal to 1 by 1 plus 4 of total. What is total? Total is 250. So 1 by 5 into 250, that will be 50 kg will be sold at 5% loss. Next question. Cost of two types of pulses is 55 per kg and 90 per kg. If both the pulses are mixed together in 2 by 3 ratio, what should be the price of mixed varieties? So here in this question, M is not given, mixed price is not given. C is given 55, D is given 90, ratio is also given 2 by 3. So I'll write 2 by 3 is equal to D minus M by M minus C. So this will D is equal to 90 minus M upon M minus 55. So I'm getting 2 by 3 is equal to 90 minus M by M minus 55. Next I'll cross multiply, or 2 into M minus 55 is equal to 3 into 90 minus M. So 2M minus 110 multiplying both is equal to 270 minus 3M. Now taking all M to side, 5M is equal to 380. I took M this side, 5M, 110 this side, it will be 380, or M is equal to 380 divided by 5. 5, 7, 35, 5, 6. So mean price will be 76 per kg. So the price of mixed variety is rupees 76. A shopkeeper has 1 quintal of wheat, which he sells 18% gain, a part of which sells 80% gain, and rest at 28% gain. In total, she gains 24%. Find the quantity of wheat sold in 18% and 28%. So here 18 is, this is less, so it will be C, D is 28 and mean is your 24. So it will be D minus 8, 28 minus 24, and this will be 24 minus 18. So what will the ratio? Ratio will be cheaper to dearer is equal to D minus M, 28 minus 24 upon 24 minus 18, 2 by 3. So cheaper is how much? Cheaper is equal to 2 by 2 plus 3 into 1 quintal. So 2 by 5, 1 quintal, that will be 400 kg. So dearer will be 600 kg. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing my channel.